Here we have the Lunar descent vehicle. In front here we have the wide angle and narrow angle cameras. Behind those we have the helium pressurant tanks. Next to the pressurant tanks we have the laser altimeter. On the outside of the vehicle here we have the tertiary payload volumes in red. On the sides of the vehicle we have the hydrazine propellant tanks. Up top we have the solar arrays and the patch antennas. Inside the avionics deck we have all the avionics componentry, including the batteries, the flight computer, the communication boxes, and the IMUs. Here on the opposite side of the lander we have a pair of star trackers, and the hazard detection and avoidance suite is located on the underside of the vehicle.